FD customizable mechanical keyboard for gamers. However, it is a word-only keyboard which may not be suitable for those who prefer a character-free lock. The Kyber Power PC CK60 is a highly responsive keyboard, making it great for gaming and typing. It boasts a polling rate. What is polling rate and why does it matter? And can handle even the most demanding tasks. Behind the impressive hardware, the CK60 has several neat software driven qualities. You can modify the extensive RGB feature using the free companion app for Windows, as well as change macros setup, quick commands, and dial in detailed setting. The Cycle Power PC CK60 is a heavy piece of gear weighing nearly 3 pounds. Whether you have a desk pad or not, why you should have a desk pad. This keyboard will set where you want it on your desk without moving unless you individually move it. This stability is helpful for those intense gaming seasons where you mash the keyboard. Compared to one of my favorite keyboard, the Logitech MX Mechanical Mini, the CK60 is significantly heavier and focused on gaming. As a 60 TKL keyboard, it is a perfect size for those who do not need a full number pad or specifically keys. This mechanical keyboard is ideal for those who prefer a discreet look, so as it does not give off the typical gamer appearance. Interest for dressing the keyboard with a 1000 flash color, the Hyper Power PC CK60 brings sleek. The CK60 has a gold aluminium that can be laser with unique graphics or designed to customize your future. The base is made of a single piece of aluminium weighing around their 3 pounds. This weight and the rubber feet keep the keyboard stable on any surface, preventing sliding and ensuring the solid aluminum base also makes it more durable with favor areas where the keyboard can fail. Compared to the Logitech G Pro X or the Steel Series PEX Pro, our review, the CK60 is an as easy to customize. However, the CK60 does not have the adjustable equation that some keyboards do. One thing to note is that this is a window layout keyboard only, not a Mac. However, that does not mean this keyboard is limiting. You can modify the keyboard's custom setting by utilizing the CK60 app. You can set the keyboard RGB lighting to react to your typing in several patterns or random color effect. You can also change specific key to map to whatever button you wish, and even import custom macros. One thing to note is that this is a window layout keyboard only, not a Mac. However, that does not mean this keyboard is limiting. You can modify the keyboard custom setting by utilizing the CK60 app.